swing is definitely a more advanced move for the kettlebell swing, and we're obviously doubling the bells, so our stance is going to change, and you might notice different asymmetries, you know, because sometimes we will have more stability on one side compared to the other. So right here I have two 24s, so double kettlebell swinging with two 24s isn't going to be the same as doing a two-handed swing with a 48. Okay, so the first thing is the setup. My own little thing for teaching the setup, because we need a wider stance, is we set up similar to how we did with the single bell, except for my left foot is as it would be to the left side of the bell, but my right foot is the right side of the other bell. So you can see my feet are hip out shoulder or hip width apart here, and then we go through the same movement. Right foot 90 degrees, back 90 degrees, left foot 90 degrees, back 90 degrees, and then we have a good wide stance for our kettlebell swing. Okay, other things to remember for when we're hinging in the kettlebell swing is not to allow the knees to collapse in, you know, and don't go too heavy too quick. Okay, so I prefer the kettlebell handles turn slightly inwards. You will see people having them level, and it's not really for hardstyle kettlebells. It's not really recommend to have them turning out because we don't want to be arm barring ourselves. So everything else is the same. Neutral spine, shoulders are back and down. I have a good grip of the kettlebell. I'm in my hip hinge. Shoulders are higher than my hips. Hips are higher than my knees. And I'm going to inhale on the pull.